Hey guys, it's Panaman, and today we're back in the Bushcraft camp, and we're going to be it's now May, so we're getting a lot of plants and stuff around here, and bugs. I had to clear off like 5 spider webs from the camp earlier. So what we're going to do in this episode is finish our A-frame with all of these new plants growing around here. What we need to look out for the A-frame are, let me show you, we have some growing at camp. These umbrella plants, I guess. I don't know what they're called. But these would be perfect. You can just slip the stem in between there and nice leaf cover. So, right past the camp, there's a bunch of these. Like right there. Over there. So, me and Bren are gonna get to work gathering a bunch of those and also repairing a little bit of this since we've had some stuff fall over. So yeah, I guess we'll time lapse that. There's a toad in there. You probably can't see it, but it just crawled under there. It proves the forest is alive. Oh, there he is. He just moved. Anyways, there's also a baby snake. It's like newborn snake. So there might be a mommy, but it crawled under there.
It's right there.
No, there isn't. Anyways, so we have new idea. Since we have big gaps, we go big gaps with ferns. Then put umbrellas on the ferns, because umbrellas give leaves, and leaves are much better than ferns. So we're going to continue doing that till we get this one side done, then we'll update you on what it looks like inside.
Leaves.
Or you might have to go in, I don't know, what time is it? 3:46.
Is that time?
So we have about 15 minutes. So let's go quick, one last load. Come on, Brennan. We found Umbrella Kingdom. It's past these logs, and there's tons of umbrellas. There's also ferns by the stream. Okay, Brennan?
Yes?
You grab some ferns over there, and I'll grab a bunch of umbrellas, okay? Got it? Yeah. Okay, cool. And back, time for the last load. Let's set the camera down right here and time lapse this last load, and then we'll end the video after that. So here you go. Okay, so that's all the materials we have for now, but no. Whoa.
I did that.
Okay, so we got the majority of this side right here done. Should be a little easier on the other side because there's more sticks to put them in between, except for these gaps. But we can always move some sticks from over here. So, let's get a quick look at what it looks inside. Had to get rid of a spider web from in here earlier, but should be good now. There's an ant. Focus. Yeah. So, inside, let's clear off some of these seeds.
Yeah, exactly.
So, got some nice covering right here. See, a couple of them fell through the cracks. It looks mostly waterproof. Like, if we had this whole thing covered in that, we'd probably get like some drops, but I think we'd be fine. So, with that note, that's the end of this video. Like it if you liked it, subscribe for more, and see ya.